Good morning, students, and this is your general knowledge class, and today we are going to do some current affairs. Okay, now I will show you one by one the slides. Here, see who won the gold medal for India. India is our country, and for India, who won the gold medal in Olympics 2021? And the answer is Neeraj Chopra, because before Neeraj Chopra in 2008 Abhinav Bindra won the first gold medal in Olympics for our country, and that was for shooting competition. And this year Neeraj Chopra, I am showing you the picture of Neeraj Chopra. Wait, see, this is the picture of Neeraj Chopra. Okay, and now here are some information about it. Neeraj Chopra emerged as India's first track and field Olympic gold medalist. He gave his best throw, 87.58 meter, in his second attempt to clinch the gold medal for India at Tokyo Olympic Games. Means his best shot was 87.58 meter. And now it is told that people can throw the javelin up to 100 meters, because before this the highest was 85 meter. Okay. Now here is, despite his young age, Indian javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra has already etched his name in the history books by becoming first and only track and field athlete from the country to win an Olympic medal, that too a gold, isn't it? And these people are known as the real heroes of our country, my dear. These people are the real heroes of our country, because this boy has brought gold, and that was a very proud moment for our country. Now see, how many Indian players participated in Olympic 2021? And the answer is 120. Now I will show you Tokyo 2020 full list of Indian athletes at the Olympic Games and the events they are participating. Now out of 120, Now out of 120, 68 are male and 52 are female participants. Okay, and next is, which country is largely affected by coronavirus? And that is USA. And what was the reason? You know, my dear, our Prime Minister took a very wise decision, because as it started, here was lockdown. Why? To prepare, so that afterwards, if we will open also lockdown, there will be sufficient medical aid and everything available in our country. Because at random, if any problem comes, you are not able to face it. But USA didn't did that, and see the graph of USA. The total population of USA is 32.95 crores, and our country is 140 crores. Okay, and see the cases. In America, confirmed cases were 43 crore 7,92,000, and deaths 7,03,599. See the confirmed cases, number of confirmed cases. And in our country, population is more than that, but cases was less than that. That's why it is told that our Prime Minister took a very wise decision. Now next question is, who is the current Defence Minister of India? And here is the Mr. Rajnath Singh. We will add Mr. also, my dear. Here Mr. Rajnath Singh. I am showing you the picture of Mr. Rajnath Singh. This is the picture of Mr. Rajnath Singh. And some informations about it. He is a former president of Bharatiya Janata Party, and in short we say BJP, isn't it? He has previously served as Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and as a cabinet minister in Vajpayee government. Vajpayee means Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was the Home Minister in the first Modi ministry. He has also served as the president of BJP twice, that is from 2005 to 9 and 13 to 14. And this is a picture of Mr. Rajnath Singh, who is our defense minister. Okay, now we will go to the next. Now here is who is the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at Olympic 2021, and the answer is Sakshi. Wait, let me change the color. Sakshi Malik. Sakshi Malik is the first Indian female wrestler who won the medal in Olympic and in 2021. You know, she is 27 years old girl and she became a professional wrestler despite facing opposition from most in her village, because it is told that the energetic work only men can do, boys can do in our society. Isn't it challenging work, energetic work? Only male person can do. But that was the reason that she had to face lot of problems. But her husband is also a professional wrestler and he supported him. And see, now the result is in front of you, that she became the first Indian female wrestler and she won a medal in the Olympic for our country. What a proud moment, my dear. Isn't it? And how much proud we are of her. And some information is also here. Sakshi Malik, born on 3rd September 1992, is an Indian freestyle wrestler. At 2016 Summer Olympics, she won bronze, becoming the first Indian female wrestler to win a medal at Olympics. Now here are some homework. This you have to do as homework, okay? You will write the synonyms. And what is synonyms? Synonyms are the words with same meaning, isn't it? And the meaning of huge is very large, enormous, immense, anything we can write. And here I have written very, enormous. Similar means same, as it is. Or we can write alike. Skinny, thin. And tiny is very small. Ants are tiny. Some insects are tiny. Here again there are some words. Beautiful, pretty, happy, glad, duplicate, exact, means exactly like that only. Adult, grown up. To the grown up children we say adult, and if it is small we say kid. Okay, now you all will do your homework also very nicely and CW also very nicely. Thank you children. Have a good day. Bye bye.